Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can change blocks in your inventory using some short keys or commands or whatever you can call them. So let's get ahead and open Minecraft. I'm using the 1.19.3 version. If you have any other version, it will still work for you. So what you have to do now is go ahead and open single player world, go to your new world or in your world, and let's open this one for example. Now what I will do is go somewhere in here and let me build something very fast. So I'm gonna gather a lot of blocks, something like that, some blocks, I will have like a bunch of stuff and I will try to be creative. I hope I be creative a little bit. So I will do something like so, I will need something like that. Oh wait, something like that, and yeah, I will be doing something like that, but then something like so, and I will be needing, for example, let's use this, and let's try to make it look even better by doing something like that. I will try to make a roof using these tips that I'm using right now. So yeah, that's for example what I'm trying to do is building some random stuff. And yeah, let's say for example now what you try to do is to replicate this area in here, but you don't really feel by going to your keyboard and changing the block manually. You just want to make it automatically. What you have to do is just go to your mouse, and for example, I'm not touching my keyboard guys, so go to your cursor and click on any block. As long as you have this block on your inventory, it will be automatically swapped to it. And for the creative mode, even if you don't have the block in your inventory, if you click on it, it will be in your inventory. For example, if you went somewhere else, somewhere in here, get this, you can get this block, this fence, this block, torch, this leaves, this food, carrots, dirt, composter, this villager as well. And yeah, you can do whatever with it. So thank you guys for watching and see you next tutorial.